weeks later. Okay.
Now let's open up the Vitamix.
It's been 2 weeks since we've sent this Vitamix off.
Mm-hmm.
It had a cracked piece.
I believe it was a piece that bladed it up. You to spin it, it had a crack in it.
That's right. It was no longer effectively spinning the blade.
Yeah.
And Vitamix has a wonderful warranty. And this is unboxing. It came by UPS today.
Okay, and it tells you that they fixed the drive socket, excuse me, and blade assembly.
All
What they
right.
fixed.
Drive socket and blade assembly. Is that a new picture?
Yeah, it looks like a new picture.
It looks like a new picture to me.
And this is our base.
The base.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. This is where it was cracked.
Yep, right in there.
Right there. There was a crack there. And
Yeah,
no
we
more
finally
crack.
got a new base.
And look how shiny that is. Look how shiny that is.
It's
Woohoo.
definitely a new base. Right?
Definitely
So-
a new
So Vitamix,
container.
the money we spent on this, don't put that, buddy. We may need it again one day.
Yeah.
But the money we spent on this and with the warranties and everything, it's well worth it.
Yes, and we're still going to do a video about the the one that we used while this was gone.
Mm-hmm.
And while it was a good smoothie maker, this is the the best, really. The Vitamix is the best.
it's by far. We've used it for so many years for so many different things. It's really been a blessing to us. And I like this here. It tells you who actually fixed it. And,
Can we get a close up on that?
oh yeah, thank you, Richard.
Thank you, Richard. You did a great job.
Yeah, it looks like you did a great job. And and it does give you, if any questions, a number to call. And it says they were happy. They want to know if we're happy with repair, and they want us to tell them about it. It really seems like they care, and they go that extra mile for that customer service.
Yeah, they've never given us a hard time when
Nope.
we called. Nothing like
They've
that.
always been very helpful to us.
Yep, and we have we have this warranty for about another year now.
Yeah, if we can get an extended one, we're probably going to do that.
Yeah.
Because it's well worth it.
If not, we'll probably buy
Another Vitamix.
another Vitamix so that we'll always have one.
Yep.
And
But, and of course, I'm going to keep this box like I did the last one. Because you just never know.
Yep, with the foam. So that was really nice. I didn't even know Billy was keeping the box. But when it's time to send it back, it's like, I think I have the box somewhere. And lo and behold, he went out to the shed and brought it in.
Yeah, went out there 3 minutes later, was bringing it in the door. I try to keep the,
Oh,
because it was a nice box. It had foam stuff, So I figured if we ever had to ship it back, it would be nice to, that they see that we did care enough to keep everything and to put the use all the foam and everything. But and this it is actually a different box. It looks like.
are y'all excited that it's back?
I'm very happy it's back.
So our smoothies tomorrow are going to be back to the Vitamix quality.
Yes.
Yeah,
and
kinda.
there's nothing like the Vitamix.
Yeah, I kind of don't like the other kind.
So so thank God it's back.
Yeah, thank God.
So yay!
Yay!
Y'all have a great day and
And God bless y'all.
God bless